In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create augmented reality model using Nano Banana. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Google Gemini and press enter, then open the official Google Gemini site from the results so you're working in the correct place. Inside Gemini, find the Create Image button and select it. Choosing this option activates the Nano Banana image model behind the scenes and gets the canvas ready for your AR-style concept. Next, click the plus sign to upload a reference image. Pick a clear, well-lit JPG or PNG with decent resolution. Strong references make a big difference because they give the system visual cues about your subject, materials, and setting, resulting in cleaner edges, better textures, and a more convincing sense of depth. Now craft your prompt. Think of it as concise directions for style, lighting, and mood. For this example, you can use a hyper-realistic, dramatic scene of a man interacting with an augmented reality military battle emerging from a digital tablet on a wooden table. The man has short dark hair, light facial hair, and an intense focused expression as he leans toward the device. Warm, cinematic lighting highlights his face and hands, creating deep shadows and a moody atmosphere. Specific descriptive language like this helps the model understand the subject, the camera angle, and the atmosphere you want. If you're adapting the idea, describe your subject's look, the environment, the light source, and any important props in plain, direct terms. When your prompt is ready, click Submit and give it a moment to render. As the results appear, compare them to your intent. Look at the expression, the contrast on the face and hands, reflections on the tablet, and how convincingly the augmented elements appear to emerge onto the table. If something feels off, adjust the wording to tighten the composition or tweak the lighting, then submit again. Small changes like emphasizing tabletop scene, asking for warm rim light, or noting no extra people can quickly steer the output toward your goal. That's the full process. Search for Gemini, open the official site, create an image to activate Nano Banana, upload a solid reference, write a focused prompt, and submit. Iterate a couple of times and you'll have a polished augmented reality style visual ready to showcase your idea.